This is how cannabis starts its life, with this tiny little seed and a process that allows you to bring it to life, create that little taproot, put it in soil, and in about 5 to 6 months, you've got a fully grown, beautiful cannabis plant to enjoy in whatever capacity you enjoy your cannabis. I thought this was a daunting task about 8 years ago. Could I really grow my own? But I took the lead with YouTube channels and learned on a daily basis how to keep on top of this wonderful process of watching this tiny seed grow into this beautiful plant. So I'm too recording my latest grow, helping you keep it simple with a step-by-step process so that you can get to this final stage of a wonderful harvest.